Welcome to DVD 2009, a key stakeholder event for the land and support chain communities in the defence sector. Taking place on the 24th and 25th of June at Millbrook, it is a pivotal date in the Defence Diary for all involved with the defence supply chain or the acquisition and support of vehicles, battlefield infrastructure and related support services to the UK's armed forces. DVD is organised by Defence Equipment and Support, DE&S, the organisation which equips and supports the UK's armed forces for current and future operations. DE&S employs approximately 25,000 people, with an annual budget of 13 billion and works closely with industry to deliver the best equipment to the UK's armed forces, now and in the future. The 2009's event provides an important opportunity for the defence sector to discuss the latest technologies and support services, giving members of the equipment capability, acquisition and user community 2 days of informal discussion, demonstrations and briefings. In an exciting addition to this year's DVD, Land Forces will be hosting an Urgent Operational Requirement (UOR) demonstration. A range of equipment designed to meet the ever-changing requirements of operational duties will be exhibited on both days in a separate area. And visitors coming to the UOR demonstration will also be able to visit the wider event. On display will be the latest frontline vehicle technology, including examples from the 35,000 vehicles that are in use with British forces across the globe, from quad bikes to protected mobility vehicles such as Mastiff and Jackal, and the larger heavy logistic vehicles. Also on show will be the maintenance kit which keeps these vehicles and their equipment working, including the tools, repair systems and test equipment for soldiers to diagnose, maintain and repair equipment in use, wherever they're operating in the world. Temporary deployable housing, such as tents or mobile units, is essential to our troops on operations for protection as well as camouflage and concealment. In addition, consumables such as water and electricity are crucial for troops. A replica forward operating base, FOB, will also be available for you to see at this year's event, demonstrating frontline living and working conditions within theatres of operations. As well as vehicles and battlefield infrastructure, DVD also gives visitors the opportunity to see the vital services provided by the joint support chain. This includes the clothing worn on operations, which will be displayed by the Defence Clothing Team, and items that provide protection such as helmets, body armour and boots, along with goggles, gloves, combat fatigues and impressive ceremonial clothing. Food is vitally important to the morale of the forces, especially on operations. DE&S personnel from Defence Food Services ensure that frontline soldiers are provided with the best choice of nutritionally balanced meals. New ration packs, which are designed to alleviate menu fatigue, a problem which can be experienced by soldiers on operations for sustained periods, will be demonstrated. Also part of the joint support chain is the Medical and General Supplies team. Medical support on operations is highly sophisticated, and DVD offers the chance to showcase the most up-to-date life-saving products currently used, such as operating theatre equipment, battlefield medical kits and dressings, as well as vaccines and blood-related products. Another essential aspect of keeping UK forces mobile is the acquisition, evaluation and development of fuel. Testing units keep the specification and quality of fuels, gases and lubricants constant, and a team from Defence Fuels Group will be on hand, demonstrating key parts of the process through the use of portable petroleum testing units. Other vital components of the joint support chain, including teams from the Defence Storage and Distribution Agency and British Forces Post Office, will also be represented. And joining their colleagues at DVD for the first time will be the Air Commodities team, which is responsible for managing the through-life operation of ground support equipment used by military aircraft. On display will be some of the team's equipment and infrastructure. Millbrook's 700-acre site is the perfect setting for participants to experience firsthand the capabilities of the equipment displayed at the event, allowing companies to demonstrate products to their fullest potential in a realistic environment with features such as near-vertical drops, wading ponds, log runs and deep articulations, making it ideal for assessing the capability of off-road vehicles. DVD is not open to the general public, meaning that it's attended by the key people who have a genuine interest in what they've come to see. The huge range of equipment and support at this year's event provides an invaluable background for you to discuss business issues with the people that matter to you. To find out more information about DVD 2009 and to register online, please go to www.theevent.co.uk. We look forward to welcoming you to DVD 2009.